Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm back with another video and I'm here with that April Boxycharm box for this month. If you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching, but before you do so, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell, and also follow me on my social media that I will link down below. And also, if you guys are interested in getting the Boxycharm box, it comes with full-size products every month, and I really enjoy the Boxycharm box better than any other boxes that I ever had, because they come with, like I said, full-size products. You get them for such a good price. So if you guys are interested, I am going to link the link down below. So with that being said, like I said, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So this month's April Boxycharm box came with these brushes from Lavish. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Lavish. Also with this Illuminati gel paint electric pink. It looks like it is probably an eyeliner. I'm not entirely sure. I haven't really opened it. It also came with this Sueva, I don't know how to say it, Caramel Melange palette. And it looks like this. It also came with this iconic London Illuminator. And it also came with my favorite Benefit poreless primer. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with the Benefit poreless primer. For the foundation, I'm going to be using this Beauty Creation Flawless Stay foundation, and I got the shade FS 5.5. Next, I'm just going to grab my damp beauty blender and blend my foundation in. Next, for the concealer, I'm going to grab the Covergirl Concealer. This is in the shade Beige. Next, I'm going to bake with this Covergirl Banana Powder. From the Boxycharm box, I'm going to take the palette that came in here. I really don't know how to say the name. Sueva, I don't know how to say it. And I'm also going to grab the brushes, and I'm going to grab this one that is a taper blending brush, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Start Soft, and just start blending that into the crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Finish Central. And I'm just applying this color to the outer corner. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Aftertaste, and I'm just going to blend this color with the other colors that I already used. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is 182. For this process, I kind of like to use tapping motion, so that way the color kind of stands out more. And I'm not taking this shade all the way in. I'm just going to leave it like halfway here. Next, I'm going to take Almond, which is this shade right here, Almond Burnt. And I'm going to put that color to where I left it free, which is right here, right by the inner corner. Blending it in with the other color. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, Edible Gem. And I'm going to take that shade and putting it into the outer corner. Next, I'm just going to take the taper brush one more time and just blend everything together. And I'm going to go back in with Edible Gem and putting that to the bottom lash line. And I'm also going to be taking the shade Aftertaste and blending that also at the bottom of the lash line with the other color. So I contoured my face and I put blush off camera, and I also put my eyelashes off camera. So next, I'm going to take the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter and I'm going to apply this shade to my inner corner for a highlight. And I am also going to use this same shade for my brow bone highlight. So in the Boxycharm box, it came with this iconic London illuminator. I'm honestly not a big fan of illuminating liquids, because since I have oily skin, I've noticed when I use these products, it makes my face really oily and it also cracks my makeup really bad. So I am just going to swatch it for you guys, and it looks like this. It is really pretty and very shiny, as you guys could tell. So that's that. It's really pretty, but like I said, I just can't use these. Next, also the April Boxycharm box came with these two pencils, electric pencils. This one's in the shade Pink. There you go. Ooh, the camera picks it up. It's pink. And then this one is blue. Next, I'm just going to set my face with the LA Girl Pro Powder. This is my favorite powder to use after I'm done with my makeup. For the lips, I'm going to be using this lip paint by Tarte Cosmetics in the shade Birthday Suit. So this is a fun look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And also remember, if you want to buy a subscription for the Boxycharm box, I will link a link down below. I really like the Boxycharm box because you actually get the full-size products. You don't get small products. So like I said, if you are interested, I will link it down below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.